Hi guys, today we are going to discuss about health team. To be a healthy, most important part for human life. The profession which gives the health promotion for a individual, that is healthcare team or medical team. Let us see what is meant by health team. It is a group of people who share a common health goals and objectives. The healthcare team is a team effort. Each of the member in the healthcare team have the special roles. The health team members are doctors, technicians who will help to find out the disease conditions and to give the care according to the healthcare issues. And they will also care about the patient's physical and emotional needs. Next we will see the health team members. These are the health team members which I mentioned here: physician, dietitian, registered nurse, social worker and religious leader, pharmacist, other practitioners, at last ward clerk. Let us see one by one. Physician. Doctors and physicians are mainly key members of health team, and those are legally qualified to practice medicine or general medical practitioners. Primary doctors. So when patient need a medical care, they will meet to the primary doctors and they will treat by the health checkups and disease screening test and immunization and any health counseling. The primary doctors may be a family practitioners, internal medicine or osteopathic doctors or pediatrics also. The pediatrics also provide a primary care for babies, children and teenagers. Now we will see specialist. Specialists mainly diagnose the disease condition and treat according to their health problems. If the person need care to the any chronic disease conditions, and they may consult with the specialist like endocrinology, dermatology and obstetrics. The physicians will do the specialization in different departments like radiology, ophthalmology, psychology, pediatrics, obstetrics and gynecology, neurology and cardiology. Now we will see about physician assistant. We can call as a PAs. PAs are also called as physician assistant. They are specialist trained person who is certified to provide basic medical care like a doctor. They should be completed with the 4 years degree plus 2 years physician assistance in the program. And they will work like as a physician assistant. And they can perform their duties like physical examination, ordering any investigations, diagnosis and prescribe any medications according to the physician's order and assist in the surgery, etc. Next we will see about nurse. One more key role in the health team is a nurse. She is highly skilled trained in healthcare and she will have mainly two important roles between the patients and doctors. She will provide a medical care to the patients. Advanced practice nurses, we can call it as a APN nurse. These are have the special functions and qualities in the department. She can work as a nurse educator to teach the patients and family members regarding their health issues, and the nurse can assess, administer and monitor the treatment, and they can help to diagnose the problems and plan for interventions according to the health issues. Next, pharmacist. The role of a pharmacist is to monitoring and evaluating the actions and effect of medication. The pharmacist give the patients medications that are prescribed by the doctor, and they will also help to educate the patients how to take the medications and their actions and their side effects also. Sometimes the pharmacist also help to the doctors by choosing of which medication is to choose for the patients for the combination. Next we will see dentist. Dentist also as a dental surgeon, and he is a specialized in dentistry. He will diagnose and treat the problems with the teeth, mouth, and they also teach the patients how to prevent the further problems. And they teach the patients about the brushing, flossing, fluoride and other personal hygienic to keep the tooth healthy. And they will treat the tooth decay, fill cavities and replacing missing teeth. Next we will see lab technician. So laboratory technologists will help to provide the diagnosis and treat the disease conditions by analyzing the any body fluids like blood, any pus, otherwise any cell. So here they will check by the any blood investigations, they will find out the reason or bacteria or pathogen. It will help for the doctors to give the further interventions to treat a patient's conditions. Next we will see radiologist. Radiologists are the medical doctors that specialized in diagnosing and treating the injuries and diseasing using the medical imaging and procedures like X-ray, CT scan and mammography. Next we will see dietitian. The dietitian services include the registered dietitian or nutritional technicians who will work together consultation with the other healthcare professional to provide a nutritional care and education. The clinical dietitian are all skilled and assessing the nutritional requirement. Next we will see psychologist. Psychologists are those who studies the normal and abnormal mental status of a patient. They specialized in the study of mind and behavior, and they will deal with the stress disorders, anxiety, depression or pain management or any adjustment difficulties in the normal human life. Next we will see occupational therapist. Occupational therapists are licensed health professionals who is trained to evaluate patients with joint conditions such as arthritis, and they will help with the patients who have physical, mental or developmental disabilities. These occupational therapists will help the client to find out new way to dress or cook or eat or work. Next we will see physiotherapist. He is a person with qualified to treat disease and injury or deformity by physical methods such as massage or heat treatment or any exercises. Next we will see respiratory therapist. These are the licensed doctors to treat with the patients with any breathing problems, and they will work with all the type of patients including the premature babies, older people with lung diseases or patients with any asthma or emphysema. Next we will see social worker. Social worker, it is a profession concerned with helping individual, families, groups and communities related to any illness. The main aim is to health worker is to people to develop their skills and their ability to use their resources to treat the health problems. These are the licensed by the state. Next we will see spiritual leaders. Spiritual leaders, these are the members or someone who incorporatively their beliefs into all matters of life. These people will listen the patient and consult the patients and counsel the patients regarding by the religious or spiritual philosophy, and they will give the special blessings to the patient. Next we will see administrative staff. Administrative workers are those who provide support to any organization. This support include like general office management or answering a phone calls or maintaining of record or handling the medical billing or fill out any insurance form or arranging any laboratory or diagnostic services, and they will maintain a records and reports which will be useful for further interventions. Next we will see volunteers. Volunteers are the most important part for the healthcare team. The function of volunteer care is different in a many way of departments. The volunteer may have the administrative duties and work in reception areas or gift shops. In a medical office, they may have the file document, otherwise answering the phone calls, otherwise help with the other screening or deliver the documents to one place to another place in the hospital. The advanced volunteers have the special training and they may work as closely patients under the supervision of a nurse or a doctor. No one can do everything, but everyone can do something. Thank you.